In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove third-party access from your Google account. So you may have granted various third-party apps and websites access to your Google account. In this guide, I'm going to guide you through finding and reviewing these connections and removing access if desired. So go to google.com, select your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a new page where you need to go ahead and select the linked apps option, which is between Google password and data and privacy. You may also see the option of third-party apps and services. And here you'll see the list of apps and services that you have connected to your Google account. Click on an app such as Freelancer, and you'll see what information the app can access, like your profile info. And to remove the access, select Delete All from the bottom and then Confirm, and you'll be done. You can come back and review all other applications listed in this page. Note that the data you shared will not be deleted. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.